Hello everyone, Kilogin here. Today I will show you how to play Princess Peach Showtime in Nintendo Switch Ryujinx emulator. First of all, I download the game in NCP, and right now I put the game in the games Nintendo Switch folder, and then I go in my Ryujinx and double click and start my application. Let's wait to boot up. As you see, we have here the game, because we have the option settings and our game directory is selected. Please check all the time if you don't see the games, check if the game directories are selected. Press OK and then click right and run application to play the game Princess Peach Showtime. Let's see, I will put in full screen. I stop the sound because I don't need it. And as you see guys, the game's working on 40 FPS. It's playing very well. I don't know what to do, it's my first time, I didn't play that game. Since the game it's playable, I think I need to open something. Princess Peach, I got the tickets. Where I take the tickets, I don't know, maybe from someone of them. Here I can go. Yeah, never mind, I don't know how to play this game, but this is it. What he said, the sparks. I see a star. Yeah, no, I think it's not. Yeah, I don't know how to do, but that's it guys. If you have questions or something like that, don't forget to put it in the comments, and if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day guys, and bye bye.